Hey folks, Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic coming to you from the Disgruntled Mechanic Garage once again. Today's subject is my 2 volts. I just recently sold one of them and I just wanted to make a video of why I sold the one I did and the reasoning, just in case anybody would be wondering. So first off, the reason I decided to sell one was just the fact that I did not need another car, being just a 2-wheel drive car. I love my Volts, I love both of them, but it just came to the point where it was time to get rid of one. I never needed that many vehicles, but I need that many vehicles even less now in this time of my life. So the one I got rid of was my 2017 Volt, and some of the reasons I got rid of that particular Volt, one of the reasons is, and I'll be honest, I still had a payment, so it was nice to get rid of that payment. But another reason was it just wasn't as special to me as the 2011 Volt. And we can get into that too. Some of the things I will miss, and I am sad to see go with my 2017, is the advanced driver assist system stuff, such as the adaptive cruise control, lane change assist. I mean, it had a bunch of extra little goodies on it to help you drive. When you're on a long trip, that is always nice. Sorry, my heater kicked on, so let me see if I remember where I was at. It was a 2017 Volt, I think, with the adaptive driver assist systems in it, and liking those. I can't say that one was any better to travel in, other than having those systems to do it. One of the other things with the 2017 maybe was the Bluetooth, so my phone or whatever I want would sync right up and, you know, start playing. But that's no big deal. I have to use an audio jack in this to plug into my stuff, but I can live with that. One of the things I really liked about the 2017 was the passive key, where you can stand outside and you can just push a button with the key in your pocket. Stuff unlocks. The 2011 doesn't have that. So that's one of the main reasons I got rid of the 2017. Reasons that I actually kept the 2011. This was the first year for the car, which in the long run will probably make no difference to me, other than it was the first year. The other reasons are, we went out to Michigan, Detroit, with this car for the Volt parade back when these first came out. I think it was in 2011. That was a real neat time. We got to meet a lot of people. We got to meet Mr. Horsepower, Bob Lutz. We did some other neat things on that trip, but there's just sentimental value to it. And the other reason is the 2011 Volt right now, it has about 98,000 miles on it, and there are some small issues starting to creep in with it. There's some codes. I keep getting rid of them. It takes a while for them to come back. I'm actually trying to figure that out. With figuring that out, when I do, or as I'm figuring them out, I'm going to bring you along to make videos on the 2011 Volt. So I thought that was an advantage for my channel, to be able to give some of that content with working on this Volt. So with saying that, I might as well come clean. I said I didn't need all those vehicles, but what I also realized was this winter my truck is my only 4-wheel drive, and with the plow and everything on it, with all the snow we had, it just wasn't feasible to drive that all over. Plus the fuel costs were just killing me. So I went and bought another vehicle. If you watch my video, which I'll probably put something in here about it, with my 2020 tracks out in the snow, that's what I got. And you can see what, if you would like, you could see what my thoughts are on that vehicle at that time. So, anyhow, that's it. That's why the 2017's gone. You won't be seeing that on my channel anymore. But hey, this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. See you next time.